As I consider the need for my own personal standard and commitments, the story of King Lamoni's people, who were about to become the anti-Nephi Lehis, resonates as the perfect scriptural example of what a person or people must do if they want to execute a practical change in their lives. Now, my best beloved brethren, since God hath taken away our stains, and our swords have become bright, let us stain our swords no more with the blood of our brethren. They literally buried their weapons of war so that they would not use them, promising that they would allow themselves to die if war came to their land, because that would be better to them than even shedding blood in their own defense. Yes, they were tempted later on in their story to break their covenant with God, but a way was provided, in my perspective, because of their efforts, which qualified them for such mercy to help them keep their commitments.